Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel The Maths Wood. Today I am here with class 10th, chapter 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. In this video we are going to solve exercise 3.2, question 1, 2, 3. How much possible we will solve from new NCERT textbook. Okay. So here first question 3, I have written here 3x minus y is equals to 3, 9x minus 3y is equals to 9. So how we will solve this? Let us see. Equation 1 we'll consider this, and equation 2 let us consider. So like previous first and second one, what we have to do, these questions are substitution method. So by taking any equation we can take, by taking 1 I'll take, by taking equation 1, what we get, see, 3x minus y is equals to 3. Now what I'll do is I'll bring this 3 here, and while y I'll take that side, 3x as it is. This plus 3 if I bring here, it becomes minus 3, and minus y if I take there, plus y. So we got y value, that is 3x minus 3. So now I will write here, put value of y in equation which we have taken one equation. Now we should put in 2 in equation 2. I'll take equation 2 now. 9x minus 3y is equals to 9. So 9x as it is minus 3. Y value is 3x. In place of y I am writing 3x minus 3 is equal to, as it is, 9. 9x minus 3 3s are 9x, minus minus is plus, 3 3s are 9 is equals to 9. We can see 9x minus 9x, it get cancelled, and this side if I take here 0, this side 9 is there, plus 9 if I take this side, it becomes minus 9, that is 0 is equals to 0. Now we can see we didn't get any x value here, we didn't get variable in this case. So what we will write, this equations has no variable. We cannot see here variable. This pair of equations has no variable. So this pair of equation has how many solution? Many solution. Infinitely many solution. Okay, because we didn't get here 0, LHS is equals to RHS we got. So here in this case it has many solution. Let us see the fourth question. We can see here fourth question I have written, and we can see the decimal points here, and each decimal point we can see one digit, that means 0.2. After point decimal only one digit. So what we will do, we will remove this decimal. To remove this decimal we have to multiply this equation into 10, and this also equation into 10. When we multiply this equation into 10, why we have multiplied into 10? After decimal one digit. If after decimal, for example 0.30 or 36 was there, then we would have multiplied by 100 here. So after multiplication the decimal will go, that is 2x, this 3y is equal to 13. This is equation 1, and same way 4x plus 5y is equals to 23. Now same step we have to do. What? Substitution method. By taking equation 1, by taking equation 1 we can take equation 2 also. Here I am taking equation 1, 2x plus 3y is equals to 13. Okay, I'll find x value. 2x as it is I'll keep, is equal to 13. This 3y I am taking this side, minus 3y. Now we want x value, right? X is equals to 13 minus 3y. These 2 multiplies there, it comes and divide. So we got x value. So what we have to do? What we do? Put x value. Here we had got y value. Here we have got x value. So what value we get? Put x value in which equation? In equation 2. Why? Because we have taken equation 1. So put in 2. So I'll write equation 2 now. 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. This is our equation 2. Now I will substitute the value. 4 as it is. X value is 13 minus 3y by 2 plus 5y as it is equal to 23. Okay, we can cancel here. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So let us multiply 13 2s are 26. 13 1s are 13, 13 2s are 26. Now 2 3s are plus minus, minus 2 3s are 6y plus 5y as it is equal to 23. Let us calculate y terms and numbers other side. Minus and plus is minus 6. From 6 if we remove 5 we get 1y and bigger number sign is minus, so minus y we got. This side see 23 as it is. I am taking this 26 this side, so it becomes minus 26. So minus y is equals to 26 minus 23 is minus 3, bigger number sign. So minus minus got cancelled and we got y is equals to 3. We got y value, but now we want x value. Now we have already x here, so x is equals to 13 minus 3y by 2. Okay, I'll put y value now. X is equals to 13 as it is minus 3 as it is, and y value 3 upon 2. Correct? So x is equals to 13. 3 3s are 9 by 2. 13 minus 9 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 4. 4 by 2. So we get cancel here. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So x value we got 2. Therefore lastly what we got? X value we got as 2 and y value we got 3. So let us see the next question. So question number 5th. We can see it is root form. Let us consider this as equation 1 and equation 2. Okay. By taking equation, let us take equation 2. Okay. I'll take equation 2. Before, every time we had taken equation 1 now. We can take equation 1, equation 2, whichever we want. I'll take equation 2 now. Root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. Root 3x as it is. I'll take 8y this side, so it minus will become plus. So y is equals to root 3x upon root 8. We got y value. We can take x value also. No problem. Now put y value in equation 1 because we have taken 2. So we will take 1 now. Root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. Root 2x as it is plus root 3 as it is. Y value is root 3x by root 8 is equal to 0. Root 2x I'll write as it is plus root 3 into root 3 is 3. Why? Because we know root 3 into root 3 is root 3 square, and square and root get cancelled. Answer is 3. So root 3 into root 3 is 3 upon root x is equals to 0. Now we will multiply here. Root 8 into root 2 is 8 2s are 16x plus 3x is equals to upon complete root 8 is equals to 0. Now root 8 will get multiplied to 0 and it will go. Root 16 is nothing but 4. Root 16 we know 4x plus 3x is equals to 0 into root 8. Divide will become multiply, and any number multiplied by 0 is 0. 7x is equals to 0. X is equals to 0 by 7. So what we got? X is equals to, we got 0. Now x value we got. Now let us find y value. Now y we have here. I'll write that y is equals to root 3x upon root 8. Okay. So y is equals to root 3 as it is. X value is 0 upon root 8. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So 0 by root 8 is also 0. Therefore what we got? X is equals to 0 and y is equals to also 0. Let us see the next question. We can see the sixth question, which is in a fraction form. Let us solve this. It's really very easy. It is not in our standard form. So let us make this equation in standard form first. How we will make? We'll do the LCM form or cross multiply. 3 3s are 9x minus 2 5s are 10y. Okay. Upon 2 3s are 6 is equals to minus 2. Now 9x minus 10y is equals to 6 2s are 12. This we got equation 1. Same way we will do here. 2 into x, 2x plus 3 into y, 3y upon 3 2s are 6 is equals to 13 by 6. This side 6 got cancelled. What we got? 2x plus 3y is equals to 13. This is equation 2. Let us solve this by taking 1, put in 2, or by taking 2, put in 1. Whichever we want, we can take. So let us take by taking. Shall we take 2, which we feel easy with having a plus sign, and also by taking equation 2. If we take 1 also, we will get answer. Okay, I'll take 2. 2x plus 3y is equals to 13. 2x I'll keep as it is. 13 minus 3y, and x is equals to 13 minus 3y by 2. We got x value. Now put x value in 1. Put x value y in 1 because we have taken 2. Value in 1. Equation 1. I'll take equation 1 properly. 9x minus 10y is equals to minus 12. So 9, x value is 13 minus 3y by 2. Minus 10y as it is equals to minus 12 as it is. We cannot cancel this because in 2 table 9 won't come. So what we will do? 13 9s are. We have to multiply, and 13 9s are is 117 minus 9 3s are 27y upon 2 minus 10y is equals to minus 12. We will increase one step. Now these 2 we will multiply here, and directly we will go and multiply there because divide become multiply. Why we should multiply here? Because this 2 is of only these 2 numbers. So we will multiply here. It will be complete. 117 minus 27y, 2 tens are minus 20y is equal to minus 12. These 2 will go and multiply. Okay. Now y terms we will solve. 117 I'll keep as it is, both minus, so we have to do plus. 27 plus 20 is 47, but sign will be minus. Minus 47y is equals to 12 to the 24. Okay, now minus 47y is equals to minus 24. This 117, if I take this side, minus 117. Minus 47y is equals to both minus, what we have to do, plus 117 plus 24, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 2, 3, 4, 141. But sign will be minus. Doing plus, sign will be minus. So 141. Minus, minus got cancelled. Y is equals to 141 upon 47. It will be divisible by 47. So what we have to do? 47 into 2. 2 7s are 14. 2 4s are 8, 9, 94. It is not. Let us check with 47 3s are. 3 7s are 21. 3 4s are 12, 13, 14. We got how many are? 3s are 47. 1s are 47. 47 3s are 141. So we got y value, that is 3. Now let us find x value because we have here x. So let us substitute by taking x is equals to 13 minus 3y by 2. Let us substitute the value. 13 as it is minus 3, y value is 3 upon 2 is equal to 13 minus 3 3s are 9 by 2, that is 4 by 2, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So what we got x value as 2. Let us write, therefore x is equals to 2 and y we got as 3. So this complete the first main of exercise 3 point, which it is exercise 3.2. All question we finished here, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th. So in my next video I am coming up with the next problem. So do like and share. Thank you.